The natural world is full of wonders. One of the most fascinating is animal camouflage. This is the ability of animals to blend in with their surroundings. It is a remarkable adaptation that helps them to survive. Imagine a tiger perfectly hidden in the long grass. Its stripes make it almost invisible to its prey. Or picture a chameleon changing its color to match the leaves of a tree. Camouflage is a powerful tool in the struggle for life. It is a testament to the ingenuity and diversity of the natural world. Why is camouflage so important? The answer is simple: survival. In the wild, animals face constant threats from predators. Camouflage provides them with a vital edge. By blending in with their environment, animals can avoid detection. This allows them to hunt more effectively. It also helps them to avoid becoming prey themselves. Camouflage is not just about hiding from danger. It can also be used to ambush unsuspecting prey. A well-camouflaged predator can lie in wait for its next meal. It can strike with deadly precision when the time is right. The animal kingdom is full of incredible examples of camouflage. Take the chameleon, for instance. This remarkable lizard can change its skin color in a matter of minutes. It adapts to match its surroundings, whether it's a leafy branch or a patch of bare ground. Another master of disguise is the flounder. This flatfish can alter its coloration to match the seabed. It lies in wait, almost invisible for unsuspecting fish to swim by. Then there are the insects. Many insects, like stick insects and leaf insects, have evolved to resemble their surroundings perfectly. They can be incredibly difficult to spot, even when you're looking right at them. How does camouflage evolve? The answer lies in the process of natural selection. Animals with better camouflage are more likely to survive and reproduce. They pass on their camouflage traits to their offspring. Over time, this can lead to the evolution of incredibly sophisticated camouflage adaptations. For example, some animals have evolved disruptive coloration. This involves patterns that break up their outline, making them harder to see against a complex background. Camouflage is not a static trait. It is constantly evolving in response to changes in the environment. As predators become more adept at spotting their prey animals must evolve even better camouflage to survive. Section 5. Genes, environment, and the art of blending in. Camouflage is the result of a complex interplay between genes and the environment. This fascinating phenomenon allows animals to blend into their surroundings, making them less visible to predators and prey alike. The ability to camouflage can mean the difference between life and death in the wild. Genes provide the blueprint for an animal's camouflage traits. These genetic instructions determine the colors, patterns, and textures that an animal can develop. For instance, the DNA of a chameleon contains the information needed to produce its remarkable color-changing skin. However, the environment plays a crucial role in shaping how these traits are expressed. The surroundings in which an animal lives can influence the effectiveness of its camouflage. Factors such as light, vegetation, and even the presence of other animals can impact how well an animal blends in. For example, the coat color of some animals changes with the seasons. This seasonal adaptation helps them remain hidden throughout the year. In winter, many animals develop white or lighter coats to blend in with the snow, while in summer, their coats may turn darker to match the earth and foliage. The Arctic fox, for instance, has a white coat in winter to blend in with the snow. This adaptation is crucial for its survival in the harsh, icy environment of the Arctic. The white fur not only provides camouflage but also helps to insulate the fox against the cold. In summer, its coat turns brown to match the rocks and vegetation. This seasonal change allows the Arctic fox to remain concealed from both predators and prey as the landscape transforms with the warmer weather. The environment can also influence the development of camouflage patterns. Animals that live in areas with complex backgrounds such as dense forests or coral reefs often develop intricate patterns that help them blend in with their surroundings. These patterns can be so effective that the animals become nearly invisible. Studies have shown that animals raised in environments with more complex backgrounds tend to develop more effective disruptive coloration. This type of camouflage breaks up the outline of the animal, making it harder for predators to detect them. Zebras and leopards are prime examples of animals that use disruptive coloration to their advantage. Section 6. Beyond camouflage, communication, and deception. In the animal kingdom, the art of blending in is not just a survival tactic but a complex form of communication and deception. Camouflage is not just about hiding, it's a sophisticated strategy that many creatures use to interact with their environment and other species. Some animals also use it for communication and deception. For instance, cuttlefish can change their color and texture in an instant, not only to hide but also to send signals to other cuttlefish. For example, some species of fish have eye spots on their bodies. These eye spots are not just for show, they play a crucial role in survival. These spots can confuse predators, making it seem like the fish is larger than it actually is. This illusion can deter predators, giving the fish a better chance to escape. Other animals use camouflage to attract mates. Bright colors and patterns can signal health and vitality, which are attractive traits in the animal world. Male peacocks, for instance, display their brightly colored feathers to attract females. The eye spots on their feathers are particularly striking and play a significant role in their courtship rituals. Camouflage can also be used for aggressive mimicry. This is a more sinister use of camouflage, where predators disguise themselves to lure in unsuspecting prey. This involves one animal mimicking the appearance of another to deceive its prey. For example, some non-venomous snakes mimic the color patterns of venomous ones to avoid predators. For example, some species of spiders mimic the appearance of flowers to lure insects close enough to catch. This form of deception is highly effective, allowing the spider to catch its prey with minimal effort. In conclusion, camouflage is a multifaceted tool in the animal kingdom. It serves not only as a means of protection but also as a way to communicate, attract mates, and deceive both predators and prey. The next time you observe nature, take a moment to appreciate the intricate and fascinating ways animals use camouflage to their advantage. Section 7. The Cuttlefish, a master of light and color. One of the most remarkable examples of camouflage in the animal kingdom is the cuttlefish. This fascinating creature has the ability to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This cephalopod mollusk is a master of disguise. Its ability to change its appearance is not just limited to color but extends to texture as well, allowing it to mimic the surfaces it encounters in its environment. It can change its skin color and texture in a fraction of a second. This rapid transformation is a result of a complex system of pigment cells and muscles working in perfect harmony. Cuttlefish have special pigment cells called chromatophores in their skin. These cells contain sacs of pigment that can expand or contract to show different colors. These cells allow them to create a dazzling array of patterns and colors. By manipulating these chromatophores, cuttlefish can produce intricate designs that can confuse predators or mesmerize prey. They can even change the texture of their skin to match their surroundings. This is achieved through specialized skin cells called papillae, which can alter the skin surface to mimic the texture of rocks, sand, or coral. Cuttlefish use their camouflage for a variety of purposes. Whether it's to avoid detection by predators or to sneak up on unsuspecting prey, their ability to blend in is a crucial survival tool. They use it to hide from predators, to stalk prey, and to create the perfect ambush scenario. By remaining undetected, they can get close enough to their prey to strike with precision, and even to communicate with each other. Through a series of color changes and patterns, cuttlefish can convey messages to one another, whether it's a warning, a mating display, or a signal of dominance. Section 8. Biomimicry, learning from nature's illusionists. Humans have long been fascinated by animal camouflage. In recent years, we have begun to harness the power of camouflage for our own purposes. Biomimicry is the field of study that seeks to emulate nature's designs and processes. Scientists and engineers are studying animal camouflage to develop new materials and technologies. For example, researchers are developing camouflage fabrics that can adapt to different environments. These fabrics could be used to create more effective military uniforms or to develop new types of camouflage clothing for hunters. Section 9. Protecting our planet's masters of disguise. Animal camouflage is a testament to the incredible power of natural selection. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving biodiversity. Unfortunately, many of the world's most camouflaged animals are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and other human activities. It is essential that we take steps to protect these animals and their habitats. By conserving biodiversity, we can ensure that future generations will be able to marvel at the wonders of animal camouflage. We must act now to protect our planet's masters of disguise.